Get ready to geek out because the Raspberry Pi 5 has hit the scene and it's packing some serious upgrades. So first off, let's talk performance. The Pi 5 has a 2 to 3 times increase in CPU power and a beefed up GPU. So this makes it a powerhouse for all your projects. And plus, because of its new RP1 I controller chip, it's got some nifty improvements to its camera, display, and USB interfaces. But wait, there's more? Under the hood, you'll find the latest Broadcom BCM 2712 chip delivering lightning fast processing speeds. And with its upgraded CPU and GPU, you'll be blazing through tasks like never before. And for those of you who are all about the displays, the Pi 5 supports dual HDMI 2 outputs, and both are capable of delivering crystal clear 4K at 60 Hz. That's some serious eye candy right there. And let's not forget about memory. With the newest SD-RAM option, the Pi 5 is faster and more efficient than the Raspberry Pi 4. Plus, it introduces a single-lane PCI-E port for high-performance peripherals, a game changer for power users. Just imagine how this thing performs with an M.2 SSD. But one thing you do want to keep in mind is that while the Pi 5 is a performance beast, it's also more power hungry than its predecessor. So make sure you've got the right power supply before diving in. Now let's talk cost. With a starting price of $60 for the 4GB model, the Pi 5 offers incredible value for its impressive specs. And if you're eyeing a similar RAM configuration, the price difference between the Pi 4 and the Pi 5 is not as drastic as you might think. And if you're itching to snag one, you might find that these can get easily out of stock at online retailers. There are approved resellers that Raspberry Pi's main website recommends, but hopefully they'll be stocking the Pi 5 soon, so keep an eye out for your chance to get in on the action. So whether you're a hobbyist, student, or seasoned pro, this little powerhouse is ready to take your projects to the next level. Thanks for watching. And for more on Raspberry Pi, please consider subscribing to this channel.